Hello guys, welcome to all of you here in Concept Zone. Today uh, we will be seeing that how to design 4x4 Butler matrix network. Okay, let me introduce myself first. I am Rajkumar Raju and I am currently pursuing my MTech from IIT ISM Dhanbad, and I have done my BTech from the same college also. Okay, so today we will be learning 4x4 Butler matrix network designing. Okay, so this one was my project which I was going through. I was supposed to design Butler matrix network for the center frequency 10 gigahertz and the bandwidth should be of at least 10%, that is 1 gigahertz. And I was supposed to design with transmission line technique, which is of microstrip line. Okay, let me first tell you that what is Butler matrix network and what are the basic elements of Butler matrix network. At this point, I must have to say you that uh, Butler matrix network consists basically three individual elements as well. Like the first one is 90-degree branch line coupler, and the second one is 45-degree phase shifter, and the third one is the crossover. So if you are looking for these any of these three elements along with as well as for Butler matrix, then you can proceed this video. Otherwise, you should stop here. Okay. So let me introduce first of all what is Butler matrix network. Okay, so to understand Butler matrix network, first of all I want to show you this picture. Okay, so you can see here the whole setup. If my cursor is visible to you, you can see that this is the whole setup. Okay, and what is this? This whole setup is called switched beam patch antenna array. Okay, now what does this mean? Like what is the function of switched beam antenna array? So if since we are an engineer, then we are supposed to transmit our signal in a particular desired direction. Okay, so suppose you are a mobile, you have a mobile network base station. Suppose you are a tower manager. Okay, and your mobile user, suppose your mobile user is at this direction, is at this confined direction. Okay, so if you want to transmit your signal from your tower to this desired direction, then you have to apply your signal at this port. And if you are if you want to transmit your signal in this desired direction, then you have to apply your signal here. And in similar way, if you are willing to have your signal in this direction, then you have to apply your signal at this port 1L port. Okay, so this whole setup is called a switched beam patch antenna array. Okay, now this whole setup mainly divided into two parts. The first one part is of this one part. Okay, and the second one part is of this one part. Okay, so this one is the second part, and this one is the first part. So this part is called 4x4 Butler matrix network. Okay, and this part is called antenna array. We can see here this is the 4x1 antenna array. Okay, so we are not here to design this part, like how to design 4x4 antenna array, but obviously we are going for this 4x4 Butler matrix network. Okay, so we can see here that 4x4 Butler matrix consists this coupler. This is the 3 dB 90-degree branch line coupler. This is the 45-degree phase shifter. This is again the coupler, and this one is a crossover. This one. Okay, so we will be going further, and we will see how to design these basic individual elements as well, so that we can achieve finally our Butler matrix. Okay, so let's come here and see some basic facts about Butler matrix network. That this is a beam forming network. Okay, if we are supposed to transmit our signal or receive our signal in a confined direction, then we will be looking for Butler matrix network. Okay, and as we have seen also that it has 4 input ports and 4 output ports. Okay, and the output ports of our Butler matrix network is going to be connected with the input of the antenna array. Okay, so yeah, uh, 4 cross 4 Butler matrix has 4 input ports where power is going to be applied and 4 output ports where 4 antenna can connect to form antenna array. Okay, so I have told you this consists of 3 parts, that is branch line coupler, 45-degree phase shifter and crossover. And one more thing I would like to tell you that the output of this 4 cross 4 Butler matrix network will be having of phase difference of 90 degree. It means that the output signals will be having of orthogonal in nature. Like we can see that suppose we are receiving one signal here and other signal here and other here and other here. Okay, so the progressive phase difference between this should be orthogonal. Like if we are achieving at plus 45 degree, then other will be at minus 45 degree, and in similarly if we are achieving first one at 45 degree, then other one will be at 135 degrees. So here basically we are focusing for plus minus 45 degree and plus minus 135 degree, so that the orthogonality should be maintained. Okay, so this one is the basic concepts about Butler matrix network, and in the upcoming video we can see that how to design and what are the basic elements we have to focus on, and we can design the basic elements as well so that we can achieve our Butler matrix network. Okay, so let me also tell you what are the applications of Butler matrix network quickly, that it is used to control our beam direction. Okay, and it is also used in the base station of mobile network to keep the beam pointing towards the mobile user, and more importantly it is also used for security purpose in the military field, like for the warning system and for the target location also we can use this Butler matrix network. And the Butler matrix is the basic principles of Butler matrix to increase our gain in a desired direction of our antenna. Okay, so that is why we are using Butler matrix network. These all are the widely applications of Butler matrix network. Now in the upcoming video we will be focusing on the 3 basic subsections of our Butler matrix network, that is the 90-degree branch line coupler and 45 degrees delay line and or phase shifter, and the third one is of 2 crossover. So don't worry, we will also be designing on HFSS. So first of all, before starting on HFSS, we must have to go through the basic concepts of our Butler matrix network. Okay, so till then start reading and start looking for the basic concepts. Okay, so enjoy. Bye bye, take care.